Expanding on the white and yellow color mix, I'm going to add a little bit of burnt sienna to start creating that warm middle ground color. With the sun coming from the right, it will cast a light onto the trees, so I'm creating that start of light and indication of shadow leaves. The approach I'm taking to build the tree line is from back to front, so I'm building the distance view of the tree line and what we would see as if the front trees were not present. This is a very active imagination exercise. In your mind's eye, you're trying to delete the trees in the foreground so you can see the skyline and the trees behind the front trees. By taking this approach, my skyline will be more complex than if I were to try and build the trees in the foreground first, because if I did that, I would be hesitant to cross the trees. Mixing ultramarine blue, which is a cool blue, with titanium white and just a touch of cadmium orange to kind of tone down the green a little bit. I'm going to use this mixture for the darks of the snow. For a warmer blue, I'll use some of the cobalt blue and a touch of the cadmium orange medium, along with a touch of the cadmium yellow medium. I decided I'm going to be using two colors quite a bit, a cool blue-gray and a warm blue-gray. So I pre-mixed two piles so I can quickly grab the colors. The color mixes for the cool gray are ultramarine blue, cadmium orange, and titanium white. For the warm gray, I mixed cobalt blue, cadmium orange medium, and titanium white. Please refer to your color guide for these mixes and a preview of what the colors actually look like in the painting. Now these colors will vary depending on which you put more of into the mix. If it goes more orange, add some blue. If it goes more blue than you want, add a little bit of orange. I move into the foreground, I grab some ultramarine blue, sap green, and a touch of alizarin crimson, which creates a rich purple for the shadow areas. Now that I've locked in the basic color variances of the tree line, I'm going to go back into the yellow and grabbing some of the Galga Medium, apply some yellow overlays where the trees may glow in the middle ground. Using a clean, dry, large painter's brush, I'm going to gently blend the middle ground trees and shadow layers into one another and soften the background.